Some very deep lines, man. Kwame, what's going on?
Charlie Abbey is my brother.
Yo, I'm hearing back from rock bottom, back from Ulcer and all this. Okay, we'll get to the music and all of that, but I just want to know, bro, how have you been, man?
I've been
I'm always
good,
seeing you on
bro.
screen. How have you been, man?
I've been very good, Just been working, just working,
Just working.
I have like a new focus now, so I'm just making music and chasing my dreams.
Okay, so this guy, one of the coolest lyricists in the country, work with some of the biggest artists. He's got new music, new endeavors, like he said right now, it's just work for him. We're going to talk about all of that. He's actually got some projects that are also coming up, and he's recently worked with one of my favorite artists, so you can see the catalog is crazy. But please send us messages, MX24 TV, any questions, I always say, suggestions, opinions, ideas, we're open to all of that. The hashtag is MX Live. If you want to find us, keep these messages coming through. Kwame.
Bro.
How you doing again, man? Charlie, the music.
Charlie.
Wait, how long ago was that song?
I think 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Yeah.
Now, on that song, right, you went very deep.
Yes.
And one thing I love to ask a lot of artists, an artist I just asked before you came here is, don't you guys get like, I'm saying you guys like, I don't know, but don't you guys get hesitant when you're laying it all out in the music, looking at the fact that social media is so instinctive and, just out there, right now?
Well, I used to, like, when I was starting out, it was a little hard for me because I'm kind of a private person. I like to keep my things to myself. But music for me is more like an outlet,
Okay.
like, I don't really like to tell people stuff that's going on with me. I don't like to talk a lot. I like to write.
Okay.
So when I feel something, I'd rather just write it.
Yeah.
With that, when you listen to it, you relate to it, you feel like I'm talking about you.
Yeah.
Exactly. So I channel everything I feel into my music.
Have you ever been at the point where you wrote something, put it out, and you're like, bruh, I've gone too deep on this? Has that ever like happened to you? Maybe before you released the song or after you released the song, even like, that was a bit too much, man.
Well, I don't think so.
Okay.
I just, personally, that's me. Like, I like to be vulnerable on songs. That's my whole thing about. I'm a storyteller. So I like to, like, tell stories about myself, about others.
Yeah.
I listen a lot. So when I listen, I just channel everything into the music.
Yeah.
So I don't feel that way.
Yeah, I mean, because, dropped a couple of bars there, and you spoke about, hitting rock bottom, growing as an artist, facing these obstacles. How does Kwame deal with these things? Again, is it directly through the music, or do you have your own ways you deal with, so to speak, hitting rock bottom, personally or professionally?
Well, depends, like, personally, I do, like, it's music for me with anything I do. And I don't just make music, I create, like, other arts too. Like, I paint and
Holy smokes.
I take pictures.
Okay.
Yeah, so, like, any way that I can channel whatever I'm
Yeah.
feeling, I just channel it,
Okay.
Yeah.
So you put it all in the art.
All in the art. Like, I make clothes too,
This guy, he does everything.
Yeah.
That's Kanye West. That's Kanye. But how's the industry though? Ghana music industry, how is it? And I know you see, this question I get to, it's a very broad question because there's the industries within the industries, there's the creatives, there's the conversations we have, there's those behind the cameras, those in front. So it's a very broad question, but you can be in an industry and be happy or not be happy, despite the ups and the downs. How is the industry for a young budding artist, would you say?
Well, personally, I think it's a bit hard because, like, it's hard to get, like, people to invest.
Okay.
It's hard to get investors, to be honest, because, I don't know, I think we are still trying to figure some things out in the industry. But then, I have a new mindset, I don't see obstacles now.
Okay.
Just jump over them.
Okay.
So, I'm just ready for the world.
Are you on a record label or an independent artist?
I'm an independent
Sheesh.
artist. Yeah, but I have a management.
Okay.
Like,
how many years have you been making music professionally?
That question is a broad question. If you say professionally, what do you mean by that?
Since, yes, it's true, it's a very broad question. It could be like when you started making money off it, or it could be like when you decided you're going to do this for the rest of your life. And I like to say that because someone might make money 10 years later, someone might make money the next day.
Yeah, of course.
But when was that moment that you said that I'm going to do this for the rest of my life?
I think after high school.
Oh.
Yeah, I was at home, I wasn't really doing nothing. and my mom was like, no, sorry, I don't know shit. You know, like,
bro, I know, bro. I know, bro.
You know, up and downs and stuff. So I just knew that I wanted to make music because I was really good at it. Like, it wasn't too hard for me to make music. You know, like, it was natural.
Yeah.
You know, and I loved it. I had music in my family.
Okay.
So, like, you know, I just knew I wanted to make music. So I started by going to Kasahari level. You know, one night my mom provoked me. I was like, you know, you hear me on radio, I'll be a star.
Okay. Shout out to mom, man. Shout out to her.
So, like, I just went to Kasahari level with Pop Skinny, you know.
Whoosh.
Yeah, I just went to the studio. I had no, like, plans of going there. I just went there, and then the rest was history. You know, I did a battle there, and then, you know, I just began to, and I was doing like recognized battles and those stuff, high school, those days. Yeah, roll call and those stuff. Yeah. So I used to be a battle rapper.
Oh.
Yeah. Just battle.
Bro, nobody better come for you, man. It's just gonna like, you know, these battle rappers, man. They're just waiting.
But I really don't make music like that anymore.
Okay.
No.
Unless somebody comes for you.
Yes.
Yeah. You see, it's in there.
It's still there, you know.
So wait, how is mommy dealing with, you know, the fact that it is picking up now?
Well, she's cool now.
Okay.
I mean, I mean, she's. It's been a long time she spoke about like me making music.
Yeah.
She knows that that's what I want to do.
Yeah.
You know, I was stubborn with it, so.
Yeah, you stuck to your guns, man.
Yeah, you know, and that's all I'm gonna do.
Okay. Now the reason why I asked you, you know, how long you'd been doing it professionally, because it took me back to you being an independent artist. So have you been independent your whole music career?
Yeah, I have.
You've never been on a record label?
No, I have.
Bro, that's crazy.
Yeah, bro.
You're funding your own music.
Yeah.
Pushing your own music.
Yeah.
How are you doing this?
We have no money. We don't even
Bro,
know how we are doing it.
How are you doing it? I
Yeah.
think that, you know, when we say, oh, somebody's independent, sometimes like, yeah, that's really, really cool. You know, you're fighting for your dreams, but behind it, it's a lot.
Yeah.
Right? Because making music is one thing, promoting it is another thing. And it's crazy when, you know, people see you and they ask you like, Charlie, they push your body as if you don't want to do it.
Exactly.
Who doesn't want to like put themselves out there?
Exactly.
So I really love the conversation of whether you have a backing or whether you're doing this on your own. And you've been doing this the whole time by yourself.
Yes. We've never had any like backing. We've had like people come through, but they just bring like, you know, stuff down. It doesn't make sense. You know, so we just don't go for it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're just saying that you're not in a rush to sign something which doesn't benefit you.
If it's a good deal, I mean, I'll be in a rush.
Yeah.
If it's good, because I mean, every artist wants to like be bigger than they are right now.
Yeah.
They want to reach like a wider audience,
Yeah,
so people can see how great they are.
Yeah.
You know, so if I'm getting that backing, and it's good, it's going to like, it won't be affecting me in the future like too much. Then I'll do it.
Wow, bro, I've got to again commend you, man. That's crazy. Like you said, you know, sometimes we do these things and we don't even know how we're doing it, but we're doing it. So did you release any music last year?
Yes, I did.
How many songs?
A few, I think, Only You. And I did release Ampofo.
Okay.
You know, Ampofo is more like a song about me. Like you said earlier, I put my all in it. Like it was a personal song for me. I wanted to write it, just drop it. So it's like 5 minutes. I even had to cut it. It was almost 6 minutes long. Yeah. You know, so with Ampofo, I just went really deep about myself, my mind, how I think. It's basically, if you listen to Ampofo, then you get to know who Kwame
Is Ampofo your name?
Yes, Ampofo is my name. It's my surname.
Okay.
So I'm Samuel Dame Ampofo.
Okay. Yeah. Bad guy. Bad guys are called Ampofo. Okay, so we have the audio, which we're going to play right now. And one thing I want to get into is, before we said you were coming, I mean, we posted pictures, we put it out there. A lot of messages came through. Oh, Kwame, we miss him. Go, how's Kwame? We want more music. How do you feel when you know that your fans want more, but at that time, whether you're recording, you know, or doing something personal, you know, how do you answer those fans who want more constantly from you?
Yeah, I think I'm working on that. I can't explain to the fans because they don't want to understand. They just want new music.
Yeah.
You know, like, that's it.
Have you tried to?
I have. I always like go deep in my songs. Like I give reasons why I do whatever I do in my songs. If you listen to the memoir, I spoke about what happened when I hit rock bottom. I didn't have a place to record. I was like struggling.
Oh,
you know?
bro, that's crazy.
Yeah, I was. You know, but the fans don't see it that way. Do you understand? They don't see it that way. They want new music, so you have to give them new music. And so, you know, sometimes you just have to get over yourself. And understand the fans and give them
But
what
I
they
respect that, you know, you're talking about these things, as personal as it is, you know, you're doing it on your own terms.
Yeah.
Well, was this recent, though, you know, going through as difficult a time as it was? Was it recent or was this years ago?
It was like, I think 2 years ago.
Okay.
Yeah, like, I used to record at Ground Up, like in Tema. You know, and when the studio, like, it got closed down, I didn't have a place to record.
Oh.
Exactly. So I wasn't recording.
But you're never on the record label officially?
No, I wasn't.
Okay,
I
just
wasn't.
recording.
Yeah, I was just recorded
Oh,
there.
man, so that was taken away from you?
Exactly.
Sheesh.
You know, and I used to do, like, days there, like, I go there, I sleep in the studio for, like, 3 days just recording, so that when I come home, I don't have to, like, waste too much transport and stuff. You know, so I do all I have to do there, and then I come back home. Now I have songs to be mixed and mastered and all this stuff. Yeah. So it was like that. And because like I dealt with my issues through music, when I wasn't recording, it just got like a lot on me.
Okay.
You know, so I just couldn't free myself.
Yeah, because where was the outlet, right?
Exactly. You know, so when I couldn't make music, I wasn't in a good space. You know, so when I could make music again, I just pour everything in it. So I did memoir to explain. So if you listen to memoir, if I'm a fan and you listen to memoir, then you get to know why I took that break.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
exactly.
So you've put it out there. Again, I have to commend you, you know, for speaking on this. And another thing is getting out of it. Because it must have been a crazy time. Everybody has, you know, those moments. It could be anything, you know, like you're saying. It could be for professional, financial, you know, emotional reasons, relationship-wise. Shall I see grown men and they cry before? I'm not going to lie to you. It's not be easy.
Real.
You know, so, again, you know, putting that out, you know, I'm sure your fans are going to respect you more. And thank you again for doing that. But we have a song called Sikaniodo.
Yeah.
Please tell me about this.
Sikaniodo.
Wait, is it money or love for you?
Love.
What?
It depends on
no,
what
I'm
love
getting
is.
off this set, man.
I mean, it doesn't have to be
what?
romantic love. You know, love rules everything in this world. Even if it's money, it's still the love for money.
Okay, now
right?
I'm understanding. I get it. This guy's a lyricist, so Sean, you know how they are? Okay.
Yeah, so Sikaniodo I did with Akan. You know, initially it was a Brafo who was supposed to be on it. I sent it to him. And for me, it was taking a bit long for me. But, you know, I just needed a song ready. Because I had done the song for a few years before that. Okay. And so I gave it to Akan and he killed it. Like, when I sent it to him today, he sent it to me like the next 2 days.
Bro, Akan is my favorite, man. Whenever I see Akan in public, right, and I'm like praising him and I'm like, he feels like he doesn't even get it.
Yeah.
But bro, that guy is so lyrical, you know. And I just wish, you know, artists of, you know, like lyricists, you know, of your magnitude, of his, you know, will get even more of a spotlight. But everything in due time. It is going to happen.
Yeah.
And when we come back, we'll talk about money and love some more. But let's check this out. So this is not out officially anywhere, or is it?
It's not.
Oh,
it's
man,
not.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Guys, listen to this.
I'm giving
Tell us
you
what
like
think.
exclusive.
Yeah, you know, I'm a special guy. So check this out. We'll be right back. Bro, I'm just having an amazing music premiere today. Charlie, that's a masterpiece, man.
Yes, my brother.
Yo, bro. Wait, did you guys record this together or you recorded it?
Nah, I recorded this song in, I think, 2019 or 2020.
Yeah.
You know, and I just had a song. I wanted someone on it. I didn't want to sing the hook myself, you know?
Okay.
And I wanted somebody who was, like, amazing on
Bro,
it.
best, man. Bro, like, there's so much character behind the music, you know? You're not just rapping, like, you can literally feel the emotions, and that's what music is about, you know? He said, it's only music that hits you and you feel no pain, right? That's a masterpiece. So this is coming out on a full body of work.
Yeah.
Tell us about
it's
that.
on my upcoming tape. I can't give too much details, but it's coming pretty soon. It's even sooner than they think it's coming.
So we're not going to get a month, like an exact month.
Soon.
I'm trying.
Well, maybe next month.
Okay, maybe next month.
It's not a maybe. Next month.
Next month?
Yes.
Okay, you said it's coming next month. How many songs?
5 songs.
5 songs.
Yeah.
There are going to be some singles you're going to release before
Yeah,
that?
I'll drop a few singles.
Okay.
Like a few singles before I drop the tape.
Okay.
But I have a plan for this year. I want to drop I don't want to drop just one tape. I want to they need music. They want it.
They
They've been
do,
crying
bro,
for
like
a
the
very
messages,
long
man.
time. So now I want to like, they will be even tired of me for real.
Yes, make us
Yeah.
tired. Make us tired. You know, they
I
step
give
our
them
ears.
music back to back
back
to
to
back
back,
to
right?
back. Yeah.
What is the tape? What message is the tape gonna give? Are you gonna tell us now, or do you want us to wait and sit with the music? Because I'm listening to this, bro, and like there's I don't even know the word to use, man. Like the story, your stories, like you know the things you're saying, just of this one song.
Yeah.
I just want to know: are all the songs gonna be in that direction, or is it just a mixture of feelings?
Well, I can just say a little about the tape. It's an inspirational tape. It has the theme of going to find your smile.
Okay.
So it's more like find your inner strength because you are capable and go for it.
Yeah.
So it's more like telling you to believe in yourself and go for it, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
What is strength to you, man?
When you can just, depends, like, you know, you just have to get emotional strength, you know? I think emotional strength is strength to me because if you can control your emotions,
Yeah.
you have like, you know, if you can control it, then you're a strong guy, you know?
Yeah,
Strong man.
yeah, true, man. It's
sure.
all about, you know, being stoic and controlling it, bro. I'm so proud of you, man, you know,
Thank you, my
with
brother.
everything you're doing. I can't wait to hear the tape.
Yeah.
I can't wait to hear the rollout, the videos. We're going to get music videos?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so that's going to happen.
And a lot of like short form contents too. You know?
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, short form stuff, all of that's going to come out. Are there any other features, though?
Yeah, I featured Kofi K.
Okay.
You know, he's also an amazing artist. He's coming up.
Okay.
Very, very great artist.
Okay, so this year, you're promising us, you're giving it to us back to back,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
fans,
yeah,
they're
yeah.
getting the music.
Yeah,
That's
not
what it's
just
about.
for the year, just from now on.
From
Like,
now on.
From now going.
Good, good.
Yeah.
I'm happy you found yourself again, so to speak, you know, and your space, right?
Yeah.
And you're doing it the way you want to do on your own terms. Do you want to tell your fans anything before you leave?
Keep supporting Kwame Dame, you know. I have like great music and a lot of great stuff for you guys, so keep streaming Kwame Dame.
Nice. Keep streaming. But all your previous music is on platforms. People can
Yeah.
buy, you know, in preparation for this tape.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go on there. Let's buy the music. Let's support him as much as we can. Bro, I wish I could get this song right now. I'm not even going to lie. But I'm going to be patient because as you said, we have to be in control of our emotions.
Real
I'm
shit.
going to be patient because I have a feeling this song is going to resonate with a lot of people.
Yeah.
Like I'm sure a lot of people are going to listen to this song and they're going to be like, yeah, this guy is speaking for me. One question before you go. How do you deal with the weight of speaking for so many people who are going through a similar situation, you know, hitting rock bottom, trying to find their way? Again, it could be a plethora of different situations, right? How do you feel, or how do you deal with that weight on your shoulders as their mouthpiece?
I think it's a bit heavy, you know, and I go by the alias voice of the voiceless. You know, I speak for people without voice, so I like to be able to like write something. I need to understand my feelings, so I need to like be much stronger or much more like stronger than the average person, so I can process my feelings the way I feel, or however I feel somebody's story. I can process everything, turn it into music for the people, you know. So it takes a lot of weight, you know. It takes a lot of
I can
strength,
imagine, man.
you know. Yeah, in writing stuff that are real, it gets to you, you know. Sometimes it reminds you of some things that you want to be in the past, but it's part of you. It's the reason why you are who you are now, so you can't run away from them.
Ah, bro, perfectly
Exactly.
said, man. Again, I can't wait to have you on some more. But we have to record, man.
Yeah, for real.
We have to record.
You know, hopefully within the week,
Yeah,
if you're free.
Ellie and Dami, you know, something, man.
you know,
We're going
real
to drop
shit.
something. We're going to drop
Yeah.
something. Please find his music. Please support him. You guys have heard the conversation. I appreciate these kind of conversations so much because, you know, it peels off the layers of these amazing guys, you know, and ladies who bring us the art and the content, that creativity. And as we said, you know, find the music, buy it, and let's just hold on until that new music drops, you know, especially the one featuring Akan. I do have to let my brother go, but you're going to see me here on Wednesday, same time. Have a very wonderful afternoon.